morning students. Let's start exercise 3.3. Question first. Prove that sin square pi by 6 plus cos square pi by 3 minus tan square pi by 4 is equal to minus 1 by 2. Okay. So start solution. Starting from left hand side. Here it's sin square pi by 6 plus cos square pi by 3 minus tan square pi by 4. Only substitute the values. Sin pi by 6, it means sin 30 degree. Okay, so value of sin pi by 6 is 1 by 2 square plus cos pi by 3. It means cos 60 degree. Okay. So value of cos pi by 3. It is also 1 by 2 square minus tan pi by 4 means tan 45 degree. It's 1. Okay. So here 1 square. Students, you learn the all values in radian degree. Okay. 1 by 4. Here 1 by 4 and it's a minus 1. It gives 1 by 2 minus 1. So it's a minus 1 by 2. Okay. Question number 2. It is 2 sin square pi by 6 plus cosec square 7 pi by 6 into cos square pi by 3 is equal to 3 by 2. I am starting from left hand side. Okay. And it is given 2 sin square pi by 6 plus here cosec square 7 pi by 6 into cos square pi by 3. Okay, LHS it's a given. Now 2 here substitute the value sin pi by 6. It is 1 by 2. Okay, plus here it is given 7 pi by 6. So first we have to convert in acute angle. Okay, so you can write pi plus pi by 6. It becomes 7 pi by 6 and now it's a whole square. Here cos square pi by 3. Value of the cos square pi by 3. It's 1 by 2 square. Okay, so here it's 2 and 1 by 4 plus now here you will get cosec square pi by 6 only. Okay, it is in third quadrant. Third quadrant cosec is negative but here square is given, that's why we are taking positive. It's 1 by 4. Now here you will get 1 by 2 and plus substitute the value of cosec pi by 6. It's 2. So 2 square and here it is 1 by 4. You will get 1 by 2 plus 1. So it is equal to 3 by 2. Okay. It is given in right hand side. So you can write hence proved. Next question is cot square pi by 6 plus cosec 5 pi by 6 plus 3 tan square pi by 6 is equal to 6. Okay. So start from LHS left hand side. Here it is cot square pi by 6 then plus cosec 5 pi by 6. So we can write pi minus pi by 6. We have to convert it acute angle. Here 3 tan square pi by 6. Now write the values. Cot pi by 6 means cot 30. Value is root 3 square. And here you see that it is pi minus pi by 6 is second quadrant and cosec is a positive in second quadrant. So here you will get only cosec pi by 6. Here 3 into tan pi by 6. It's 1 by root 3 and here square. Okay. So you will get 3 plus here write the value of cosec pi by 6. It is 2, and from here you will get 1. Okay, so answer is 6. It's right hand side. You can write hence proved. Next question. 2 sin square 3 pi by 4 plus 2 cos square pi by 4 plus 2 sec square pi by 3 is equal to 10. So, for this question also start from left hand side. Okay, and write the values. It's 2 sin square pi by 4. We can write pi minus pi by 4. Okay, we have to convert, and it's plus 2. Here it is cos square pi by 4, and it's plus 2 sec square pi by 3. Now it's 2 sin square pi by 4. Second quadrant, pi minus pi by 4. Sin is positive. Here square is given. That's why I am writing sin square pi by 4. And it's, write the value cos pi by 4. It is 1 by root 2. So here 1 by root 2 is square. And here 2. Sec pi by 3 value is 2. So write 2 square. Now 2 sin pi by 4, it's also 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 square. And here solve this, you will get 1. And from here 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8. Okay. In the next step, from here you will get 1. It's 9. So answer is 10. Okay. You will get right hand side, hence proved. Next question. Find the value of first part is sin 75 degree and second is tan 15 degree. So let's start the solution of part 1. Here it is sin 75 degree. Okay. So you can write here it's sin 45 degree plus 30 degree. Okay, and now apply the formula sin x plus y. Okay, you know it is sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Okay, same. So here in place of x is 45, in place of y it's 30. It is sin 45 degree cos 30 degree. Okay, then plus cos 45 degree and sin 30 degree. Now write the values. Sin 45, it is 1 by root 2. Okay, and cos 30, it's root 3 by 2 plus here cos 45 1 by root 2, sin 30 it's 1 by 2. And now solve it. Here 2 root 2 and it's root 3, and here 1 plus 2 root 2. Now take LCM. So it is 2 root 2 and from here it's root 3 plus 1. Okay, this is the answer. Second part of the question is tan 15 degree. So here we can write tan 15 degree is equal to tan 45 degree and minus 30 degree. And now apply the formula tan x minus y. Okay, the formula is tan x minus tan y upon 1 plus tan x tan y. Okay, so here you will get tan 45 degree minus tan 30 degree, and here 1 plus tan 45 degree, and it's tan 30 degree. Okay, tan 45 it's 1 minus tan 30 it's 1 by root 3, and here 1 plus tan 45 1 and tan 30 it's 1 by root 3. Take LCM, you will get root 3 minus 1, and here it's root 3 plus 1. Okay, and now rationalize it. So multiply root 3 minus 1 and here root 3 minus 1. Now simplify it. It is root 3 minus 1 whole square, and here apply the identity a plus b and a minus b. You will get a square. In place of a it's root 3. So it's 3 and minus 1. Here expand the square. You will get 3 plus 1 minus 2 root 3. And here it is 2. Okay. And in the next step, you will get it's 4 minus 2 root 3 by 2. 2 take common and cancel it. So it is 2 minus root 3. Okay, this is the answer. Next question is, prove the following. Question: cos pi by 4 minus x into cos pi by 4 minus y, and here minus sin pi by 4 minus x and sin pi by 4 minus y is equal to sin x plus y. So first of all, for this question, start from left hand side and let pi by 4 minus x is a and pi by 4 minus y is b. Okay, so our question becomes cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Okay, write a in place of pi by 4 minus x and b in place of pi by 4 minus y. So it is cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. It is the formula of cos a plus b. Okay, and now again write the values of a and b. So we will get cos a plus b is equal to its cos pi by 4 minus x plus pi by 4 minus y. Okay, cos pi by 4 plus pi by 4, it is pi by 2. Okay, and here from x and y minus take common, it's x plus y. And you know that pi by 2 minus theta. Okay, cos pi by 2 minus theta, it is a sin theta. So here in place of theta, it is x plus y. So you will get sin x plus y. RHS, and hence proved. Next question, prove that tan pi by 4 plus x upon tan pi by 4 minus x is equal to 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x whole square. Okay, so for this question, LHS, apply the formula tan a plus b in numerator. Formula is tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. Okay, so in LHS, here it is tan pi by 4 plus tan x, and here 1 minus tan pi by 4 tan x. Okay, it is in a numerator, and in denominator apply the formula tan a minus b. Okay, in place of x and y you can take a or b also. So it is 10 pi by 4 minus 10x, and here 1 plus 10 pi by 4 into 10x. Now substitute the value of 10 pi by 4. 10 pi by 4 is 1. So it's 1 plus 10x, and here it's 1 minus 10x. Okay, and in denominator 1 minus 10x, and here it is 1 plus 10x. Simplified, you will get 1 plus 10x whole square, and here 1 minus 10x square. Okay, so it is RHS. Hence proved. Question number 8. Cos pi plus x cos minus x upon sin pi minus x and cos pi by 2 plus x is equal to cot square x. So LHS is cos pi plus x cos minus x, and here sin pi minus x and cos pi by 2 plus x. Okay, and now change the functions according to quadrant. Cos pi plus x, it is a third quadrant. Okay, and cos is a negative in third quadrant, so it's a minus cos x. Cos minus x, it is a plus cos x. Okay, and here sin pi minus x, it's a second quadrant. In second quadrant sin is positive, so it is only sin x. Now pi by 2 plus x, it's a second quadrant, and in second quadrant cos is a negative. Okay, so take minus sign, but here it is pi by 2, so cos will change into sin, and from here you will get minus sin x. Now minus minus will cancel, and we will get cos square x, and here it is sin square x, and it gives cot square x. Hence proved. Next question. Question is cos 3 pi by 2 plus x into cos 2 pi plus x and into cot 3 pi by 2 minus x plus cot 2 pi plus x is equal to 1. So start the solution from left hand side. Here it is cos 3 pi by 2 x. It is in fourth quadrant, and cos is positive in fourth quadrant, but 3 pi by 2 plus x, cos will change into sin. Okay, so write sin x. Next, cos 2 pi plus x, it is a first quadrant. Okay, sign will not be changed, so write here cos x. Next, cot 3 pi by 2 minus x. Cot is in third quadrant. Cot is positive in third quadrant. Okay, so sign will not change, but it is 3 pi by 2, so cot will change into 10. So write here 10x. Then plus cot 2 pi plus x. It is again in first quadrant, and cot is positive. So write cot x. Okay, and now sin x, cos x, and change 10 in term of sin and cos. It is sin x by cos x. Okay, and same as here for the cot x, it's cos x by sin x. Now take LCM. Here sin x, cos x, and here it's sin x cos x. It becomes sin square x plus cos square x. Okay, now apply the identity. Sin square x plus cos square x, it's 1, and this sin x cos x will cancel with this sin x cos x. So only we will get 1. Okay, and it is the right hand side. So hence proved. Okay, first you can write here cos 3 pi by 2 plus x. It's fourth quadrant. Okay, it's first quadrant, and here it's third quadrant, and this is also first quadrant. Okay, next question. Question is sin n plus 1 into x, sin n plus 2 into x plus cos n plus 1 into x and cos n plus 2 into x is equal to cos x. So from LHS, let n plus 1 x is equal to a and n plus 2 into x is equal to b. Okay, so now it is sin a. Okay, write a in place of n plus 1 into x, and sin b plus here cos a and it's cos b. Okay, now it is the formula of cos a minus b. So write cos a minus b. Again substitute the values of a and b. Here a is n plus 1 into x minus b is n plus 2 into x. Now it is cos nx plus x minus nx minus 2x. Okay, from here you will get cos minus x only. Okay, and you all know that cos minus x is equal to cos x. So it is right hand side, hence proved.